How to manage Gmail storage settings. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can easily see how much your Gmail is taking up the storage, and then if you want to increase the storage, I'll show you what you can do. Let's get started. Open up your browser, head over to your Gmail account. Now go to the gear icon in the top right and click on See All Settings. Now go to Accounts and Import and scroll down to the very bottom. There you can see that you're currently using 63% of your 15 GB. So if you want to purchase additional storage, click on the link below. This will take you to a new tab and you can see the various subscription plans, like for 100 GB storage for Gmail, Google Photos, and Drive. You just need to pay $0.49 monthly and $6.99 annually. So you can also see there is 0.75 monthly for 200 GB. So you can get discount and then get more storage on your Gmail. So if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.